안녕하세요. Hello everyone. Thank you for coming to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce two healthy side dishes using a very nutritious ingredient, eggplants. We have a stir-fried eggplants and steamed eggplant side dishes. Stir-fried eggplants has a chewy texture that's delightful, while steamed eggplant side dish offers a soft and delicate texture. Shall we make them together? Let's make the seasoning sauce. Put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. If you have oyster sauce, add 1 tablespoon of richer flavor. If you don't have oyster sauce, you can add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce instead. Add ½ tablespoon of red pepper flakes, 고춧가루. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar or honey. Oh, I forgot to mention garlic. Finely chop about 2 cloves of garlic. Add ½ tablespoon of minced garlic. If you have a black pepper, add a little bit. Mix well. Slice 2 green onions into bite-sized pieces. If you have a red chili pepper, slice it thinly. You can skip it if you don't have one. Trim the ends of the eggplants and cut them in half lengthwise. Slice them into evenly sized pieces. This thickness is ideal. If you place the skin side down while slicing, it will be easier to cut. Slicing them too thinly will result in a mushy texture. Eggplants are rich in polyphenols and anthocyanins, which have excellent antioxidant effects. They are known to have anti-cancer, anti-aging, cardiovascular health, and vision protection benefits. If you have mushrooms, slice about 3 large ones. Adding mushrooms to the stir-fried eggplants enhances the flavor and texture. Now let's grill the eggplants. Preheat a pan and add the eggplants and mushrooms. Grill them over medium-high heat, moving them back and forth. If you grill them over high heat, the eggplants may become burning. By grilling them without adding oil, the moisture will evaporate, resulting in a better texture and a lighter taste. Stir them occasionally. After 4 to 5 minutes, you will notice that the eggplants have released a lot of moisture and reduced in volume. Once the eggplants are fully cooked, add the sliced green onions and red chili pepper. Pour the prepared seasoning sauce into the pan. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix well to evenly coat the vegetables with the seasoning sauce. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon of ground sesame seeds and mix well. You now have a delicious and chewy stir-fried eggplant dish. Steamed eggplant side dish, 가지나물. Slice 1 green onion thinly. Finely chop 2 cloves of garlic. Cut the red chili pepper in half and slice it thinly. Adding red chili pepper enhances the taste and appearance of the dish. You can omit it if you don't have one. Trim the ends of the eggplants. Cut them in half lengthwise and then into bite-sized pieces. When the water is boiling, place the eggplants in a steamer. Steam them for about 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, the eggplants is done. Take them from steamer and let them cool slightly. While the eggplants are cooling, let's prepare the seasoning sauce. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce for the soup, 국간장. I'm using this soy sauce today. Add 1 tablespoon of tuna fish sauce or fish sauce for a savory flavor. I'm using this tuna fish sauce today. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Add about ½ tablespoon of minced garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar or honey. Add a sliced green onion and red chili pepper. If you prefer, you can add a little bit of red pepper flakes instead of the red chili pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of ground sesame seeds. Mix the seasoning sauce well. Place the eggplants in the seasoning sauce bowl. Gently mix them together. If some of the eggplants are large, you can tear them in half. Transfer the dish to a serving plate. It's delicious to eat with warm rice, or you can mix it a little bit of red pepper paste and sesame oil. This is the perfect dish for eggplant bibimbap. Let me try. Wow, it's so delicious. How did you like today's recipes? Be sure to try making these healthy eggplant side dishes. Thank you for watching. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.